Hey, U.S. history peeps, this is Mr. McGrill. Just wanted to check in with you guys and give you a friendly reminder of what's going on this week for U.S. history class. As you can see on the screen here, there is no live classes this week because, as a reminder, Mr. McGrill is out of the office from Monday the 9th through Friday the 13th, so no live class this week. However, you will see down below that there are assignments for you to be working on each day of the week, so you can kind of go off of this schedule if you'd like. You can see Monday, you've got workbook 4.5. Tuesday, there's 2 assignments there listed for you. On Wednesday, just the Pear Deck assignment. And on Thursday, I've got 3 different items that you can complete. And then on Friday, we've got a Newsela assignment and the Week 16 quiz. So that should be enough to keep you guys busy throughout the week and get your 5 hours of daily attendance that you guys need. So, hey, feel free to send me emails while I'm out if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I am able to. And have a great week, everybody, and we'll see you on the other side of this week.